folks, this one was voted for by all these lovely patrons who voted for it in last month's vote. You can join us. You can. Just check out the description below and help support this thing. So we're going to be playing Sighommi by Smashing Pumpkins off their new album. You're going to be in drop D, so your low E should match your 4th string or D string. The rest are all the same, okay? Quick note on this guitar. This is a Blanche Flower guitar by my good buddy Markus, who's lent it to me. It's going back to him soon. There's smashing stuff. I'll put a link in the description below. He's just starting out and he makes fantastic things. I'm also using the Heavy by Empress and my Victory V40 back there just for a bit of a change. So let's dive in, shall we? First riff goes like this. So in fact, you play this part 3 times. 3 times. Then you do this. Then you go back around and you tag on another one of these. So let's break that down. We have so you're hammering on 7 to 9. And again. Okay, then we go to the next string up and play that. Okay, so we have on the 4th time. So the first part of it's the same as the first bar. So there, and then you play the 7th and 9th fret on the A and G, but you're going to slide quickly, and you hit the open E as well, and then you end with play that whole thing around again, and then you play and as you're coming down he does a couple of little whack. Now over the top of that there's a little lead line which goes 1, 2, 3. Pretty straightforward stuff. I won't bother going through that again. Just watch out for the grace notes, you know. James plays that part. Then the verse part, there is a load of stuff going on, but I'm going to show you the main parts that Billy plays. We have let's stop there because then it goes into a kind of bridge part where you're playing, you know, this stuff on A, okay? So you flatten your first finger on the 9th fret here, like a B5 power chord, because obviously the D string is detuned. And then you add the 11th fret on the 4th string, okay, or the D string. And then the 12th fret, slide it down to the 5th. Make sure you catch the 4 strings there, because I do hear that ringing out. So we have a slide on that last beat. Then we go to a series of chugs. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, no chug, like that. Okay, and then again. Rather than sliding, you just play the same chord again. Stay there for the next bar. Again. Into this again. and then we change. Okay, the bridge section then goes. Like that, okay? Then here's the chorus, which is back to this riff. You know, that stuff. So all we're doing there, just got an A chord, but you're pulling off from the 4th fret on the D to the 2nd fret there. So we go. I think that's what he's playing there. Let me clean it up, right, so you can hear it clearer. And you slide up. I tend to cover the low string there with my thumb when I'm playing the A, because you get this. And then off. Because there, I think he plays the same chord just with the like low D in the root, okay? And then around again. Like that. Distortion back on. There's 2 parts to this. Billy is basically playing. So he's just playing the octave there, right? On that 2nd bar. And then the 4th time. Then James plays. So you got that little harmony going on there, right? Between the 2 parts, right? All right, 3 times of that. 4th time for James, I think he played. Then we go into the verse again. Like that. Into a variation of the bridge, which goes round 3 times, and you play. Coming out of that, you could just play, but I think he slides up to the 11th fret there, and you count out 6 beats basically, bar 4, bar 2, 4. Then we go into this kind of middle 8 section. And then you got this rundown. Like that. So again, slowly. Like that, right? Now you could just play. For the 2nd one, right? And then again. And just leave it ring out, okay? But I've kind of mixed the 2 parts together so you can get those. And the 2nd time round, it just hangs there on that 9th fret. The other guitar part then plays basically like a D power chord with open strings either side. Little mini solo which goes. pretty straightforward. I won't labour that. The guitar part behind it is incredibly difficult to hear. Something like a B. You know, that sort of thing. To a D. On the bar, a D, and then you go back to the B. And then to the 5th fret there. You could simplify that and just play... if you wish. And then you're into the outro then, so more of this, you know this already. 2 times around that, and we go back into this part with the harmony as before. You know, all that stuff. And then the ending is simply... and then you end with that. So, pretty straightforward stuff. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you soon.